So my camera died as I was painting this up. This is pretty much all I'm doing with it for now. I've got 8 more to get painted. It's pretty much the same thing as what I've been doing. So I'm going to hurry and get those painted, and we'll be back to paint the rust and the blades and tracks. So once I get to that point, we'll be back. Okay, all of the prep scenery is done, and now it is time to start getting everything put in the layers and getting them glued together. I'm going to first start with getting a couple of these diggers put in, and I'll probably do 3 along. We'll just go with how it is and just what may look good. And then I've also got some of these people that I painted up, and so they will be put in as well. Also at this point, I'm going to just add some weathering powder a little bit to the diggers as well. I'm not going to seal them or anything, just because I'm going to be, painting them, or not. They're going to be glued in and they won't be touched after that. And I'm just going to do it over, powder them over the mine here, just to add a little bit of variation to the dirt as well. So, and I may just kind of do that anyway, of just putting some different things here and there. So I have the next layer propped up just off the side of the off screen of the camera, so that I can see where the lights are going to be at and be able to at least get them placed somewhere where there's some light, so it's not just a bunch of dark that's where that you can barely see them in the light. I'll put 1 or 2 that way, but I don't want them completely hidden. And I don't know where these came from. They're Timberline Scenery powders. They were included in a collection that I bought years ago that came up, that was a good way for me to bolster my collection of what I had already. And I haven't had much luck when I looked here and there for them, just to see if they were still around or that, but at the same time I don't really use them very often. And this is just so that there's some grit for the glue and give it something to grab onto other than just the smooth foam. I said in an earlier video that normally I do this with a wire brush, but with having such a small area as it is, wire brush should be kind of, I mean, it wouldn't be overly hard, but just a little faster just to do it like this, where I already have the X-Acto up here. And so that's all I'm going to be doing for now, is just keep working my way up, weighing down the pieces so that they are stay down and get adhered really well. So I will be back once I get some more work done with that and show some progress.